Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Fino Payment Bank UPI network issue in 2026, especially when your UPI is not working in PhonePe. So first of all, you need to open your PhonePe application. Then you need to try doing a small UPI payment. If you see messages like UPI network error or bank server down or transaction failed, it usually means that Fino UPI servers are temporarily busy. So the best fix is to simply wait for 10 to 30 minutes and try again. Also, you can try the payments during the non-peak time like early morning or late night. Now, when you open PhonePe, simply go to your profile, then look for the option of bank accounts. Simply select your Fino Payment Bank account and tap on the option of refresh or verify bank account. This forces PhonePe to reconnect with your bank and refresh UPI status. After that, simply go to the UPI PIN or reset PIN and you need to confirm your PIN whether it is working or not. If PhonePe is stuck due to the connection issues, you can switch your network once, change from the Wi-Fi to the mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi, then force close your PhonePe application and reopen it and try again. Also, update PhonePe from the Google Play Store because the outdated versions can also cause the UPI network errors. If nothing works for you, you can remove or add your bank again. You can go to the bank account, then remove the Fino account, and then add it again using the same mobile number which is linked to the bank. After linking again, you can set the UPI PIN and test a small payment. If it still fails, the problem is likely on the bank side, and you should try to contact to the Fino customer support for the UPI downtime confirmations. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.